This is tutorial number 121, and it covers how to use the Spline on Surface sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a new part file. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. So in this tutorial, we're going to be covering how to use the Spline on a Surface sketch feature, and what that does is it creates a 3D spline sketch on any surface that you have. So you don't have to create planes. You don't have to choose a plane to start sketching on and then use like a 3D sketch to move it around or anything. All you have to do is just click on the tool and click on any points on that surface. So to start off, we're going to create kind of like a unique surface that to sketch our 3D spline sketch on. So let's click Sketch, click Line, and just click any plane. Draw one line straight up, and then with a 3-point arc, just make a unique little design. Something with different surfaces, and just play around with it. Click OK. And now with the features, let's revolve it around. And we're going to revolve it around that axis there. Click OK. And now we've got just an object with curved surfaces, and if we wanted to sketch on those surfaces, it would be very hard. So let's click Tools, click Sketch Entities, and let's click Spline on Surface. So now just look at it from the front view and just start clicking and making your spline. And if you move it around, you can see that that spline's on the surface of that object, and it moves with the object around the surface. So we didn't have to use a plane or anything, and it just goes around. Now, the one drawback though is if we click a point here, another point here, and try to bring it onto that surface there, it doesn't work. So whenever there's kind of like a line, it's kind of like a breaking point between your spline. So it needs to be on one continuous surface. Okay, and whenever we do it, you can see that it follows a curve, it follows the surfaces, and you don't need to select anything. You just start picking points. You know where you want them to be, and it goes onto that sketch. And then when you're happy with them, like any other sketch, just get out, and you've created your sketches. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the 3D spline on surface sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS.